Hi, my name is Lina Aventaño, and in this video I want to show you what I achieved by implementing Beancount, an open source accounting tool for a real estate company in Germany. First, I built a full accounting structure in Beancount with a clean chart of accounts, support for multiple properties, and a documented setup to keep everything organized. I don't enter any transactions manually. The company receives CSV files from the bank, and I developed a Python script that automatically converts those into properly formatted Beancount files. Once the data is in Beancount, I have two options. I can view and explore everything through Fava, a website interface, or I can generate customized reports. Fava also lets me run SQL-like queries to extract specific insights, and I can export that data as CSV when I need it. When it comes to official reports, I created another script that takes the Beancount data, generates a markdown file, and then transforms it into a style PDF using Pandoc. These PDFs are fully customized and, in this case, were used to apply for a bank loan with all the legally required financial information. This setup saves time, reduces errors, and makes accounting transparent and flexible, all with free open source tools.